Guys, in this video, I will show you Stoic FX and the Vantage markets and my take on what are the things that I feel you guys need to know about them. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we will be checking out two websites in this video. We have Stoic FX and also we have Vantage Market. Now, when comparing Stoic FX to Vantage Market, guys, the difference lies in the execution quality, the trader freedom, and transparency. So those are the top things that I will share it to you. And Stoic FX sets itself apart as a forward-thinking trading platform that is built for serious traders, especially the ones who are valuing deep liquidity and institutional grade executions. So guys, unlike the brokers such as OX Securities, which operate on a 100% B-book model, putting profitable traders at risk of withheld payouts or the account bans, Stoic FX routes trades through the multiple tier liquidity provider, and this ensures the accurate order fills, minimal slippage, and no conflict of interest between the broker and the trader. Now, here is the one for Vantage Market, guys. So Vantage Markets, while reputable and regulated, it offers a more conventional trading experience that may not suit advanced or crypto native traders. So spread structures and trade executions also depend heavily on the account tiers, and the access to the true market liquidity isn't always guaranteed. So in contrast, guys, Stoic FX embraces transparency and performance, which offers the zero spread Bitcoin trading comparable to Binance and significantly lower cost alternatives to platforms like BitMEX and Bybit. So this is making it more powerful option for the crypto traders and high frequency traders that are seeking precision and cost efficiencies. The international clients, especially the ones from the US or the ones in the restricted areas, all right, restricted regions, often unknowingly trade with the B-book only brokers, which lacks the regulatory safeguards. Now, something like Stoic FX actively avoids by working with compliant, and that is something that Stoic FX actively avoids. So by working with compliant liquidity connected infrastructures. Now, with an approach, guys, that prioritizes the trader's profitability and not the brokers, it's clear that Stoic FX is not just another CFD platform. It is a premium trader-first alternative for those who demand better execution, fairer conditions, and modern crypto integration in today's competitive market. So you gotta go ahead and check that one out. There's a ton of information that is available here in their website that will help you in getting to know them better. What are the things that, stands out? What are the value that it can give? And you can also go ahead and check out Vantage Market, of course, guys, and see for yourself, what are the things that would benefit you greatly and improve the profitability of your trades. If you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell down. You'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.